First, plug in the power cord, then connect the air hose. Push this valve outward to turn off the air. Push it inward to turn on the air. Here's the pressure gauge. It normally reads around 0.6. Now power on the machine. This is English. Chinese is right here. Chinese here, English here. This is the spring vibratory feeder. Turn it on. Once it's running, the springs feed automatically. I'll turn it off. When it's off, it stops feeding. And this is the pin vibratory feeder. Turn it on. This is a sensor. When it shows red, the feeder stops. Because the pins are full here. When it's full, it stops. This is automatic mode. Start it with the button or foot pedal. Just one press of the pedal. In this mode, this is the counter reset. It shows 125 units, now cleared to 0. This indicator light shows when the pin pressing cylinder is up. This light must be on before it presses down. This is manual pin pressing mode. Press it down. The cylinder has pressed down. There's another light below that should light up when it presses down. Now raise it back up. It's back in position. This is the pin pushing cylinder. Now push it forward. It's pushed forward now, and this light should be on too. If it's not lit, just adjust it left or right. And this one in the back is the spring pushing cylinder. This is the indicator light. When it pushes over, this light needs to come on. If it's not lit, the cylinder will stop right here. It won't go back. When it pushes over like this, it just stops and won't go back. Check if this light is on. If not, just adjust it. So that's basically it. To start running it, just turn on the spring vibratory feeder. Turn on the high-level feeder and it'll cut off automatically. Once it cuts off and this area fills up, it doesn't matter. Then switch to automatic mode. I can start it with this button or use the foot pedal. Let me try it. And then this. Now automatic mode. Automatic mode. Using the foot pedal. One more. So it's basically a push hook.